Is it recording?
Mhm.
Okay. Two-way clean out the house, baffle, into septic tank. Get a view of the area, like going in through the two-way clean out towards the septic tank. That's the baffle, bottom of the tank. Going back up and going to snake up towards the camera, up towards the house. Transitions, section of cast iron. Transition, ABS, into cast iron again. Back into ABS. That's the end of the main line. Going back out. ABS. Transition to cast iron again. ABS, cast iron. Outside of the house already. Building. ABS. 3034. And up through clean out. Thank you.